At our Eton preschool campuses, every space and learning experience is thoughtfully designed. Inspired by the Reggio Emilia approach, we view children as capable and curious individuals. We celebrate and foster the many ways they express their ideas and learning, through gestures, movement, art, play, exploration. Our teachers act as guides, fostering wonder and encouraging active participation in learning. By observing with care and empathy, we document experiences, making learning visible and meaningful for the children and for everyone in our community. We value each child's voice and uniqueness, and we support them in understanding their own learning processes. At Eton, our youngest learners are not just preparing for the future. They are shaping it today. I am Narda Vega, Principal at the Toddler Center, and this is Eton Voices, empowering hearts and minds.